Rhaze here! Welcome back to my channel. I hope okay lang yung audio. Alam niyo naman na kararating ko lang dito, so hindi ko pa talaga gamay yung mga nangyayari sa paligid-ligid, diba? So pasensya na, but I hope this is okay. Please let me know, okay lang ba ang audio? Kung hindi okay to, hindi ko na talaga alam po anong gagawin ko. And I'm also using my artificial lighting right now. Meron akong shadow na ganap dito na hindi ko alam kung saan galing, but I do not know. Anyway, today is Monday. Happy Monday sa lahat. And as usual, Monday is askrhaze day. So if you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A video, please do not forget to leave your questions below with the hashtag askrhaze. And I will do my best to answer your questions on my next video. From Emma Luz, she has 3 questions for me. If ever manalo ka ng 20 million pesos or dollars, my goodness! Sa lotto or any sweepstakes or scratch card or raffle, ano yung una-una mong bibilhin? I'm gonna buy a car. I don't know if I already told you guys this, pero before nabangga yung sasakyan ko, we were kind of planning to buy another one. Kaya nga inisip namin baka yun yung dahilan na bakit binangga niya yung sarili niya. Sure, binangga niya yung sarili, pero you know, siguro yun yung dahilan kasi baka nagtampo siya kasi nabibili sana kami ng bago and all that is. Number 2, kung makakasalubong mo somewhere si Daniel Padilla or Catherine, example sa mall or kahit sa abroad, airport, etc., na nasa harap mo sila, ano ang gagawin mo? Papapicture, yayakap o hahalik sa kanila? Ako baka mayakap ko si Daniel ng di oras. Oh my gosh. Honestly though, hindi ko alam talaga. When I was about to meet Anne, I had so many plans na ito yung gagawin ko, hahalikan ko si Baby Jew and all that ish. Like magpapapicture kami. Hindi nangyari yan at all. Pumunta kami sa place nila. Yung unang nakita ko talaga is si Papa Kids. Hindi ko alam kung ano itsura ko. Basta as in a shock lang talaga ako. Ginanon ko si Papa Kids. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung ano itsura ko you guys. Hindi ko pa nakita si Ano na. Si Papa Kids pala nakita ko. Ganun na yung reaction ko. So yeah, so hindi ko alam kung si Daniel yung makikita ko. Like seriously though, I do not know. Like, I do not know. Number 3, kung may magbibigay sa'yo ng free ticket sa isang show, anong show ang pipiliin mo? Concert na Daniel Padilla or concert ni Vice Ganda? Kung sa concert naman, I would watch Vice Ganda. Hindi ako nanonood ng concert. Hindi ako, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I feel like really weird pronouncing the word concert. Whatever. From Durla, how was your experience in Manila? If you were given a chance to come back, will you? Oh yes, sir. I will. Oh my gosh, you guys. Nasabi ko na to sa vlog ko, but you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, ayoko pumunta ng Manila. I didn't even plan on going there at all. Kasi takot ako sa Manila. Pupunta lang ako ng Manila kung kailangan talaga. Like the first time I was there, I applied for US visa, whatever. So I needed to go there for an interview. Second time I was there, I don't even want to talk about it. But the third time I was there was few days ago nung na-stuck ako sa Manila because I missed my flight. But you guys, after meeting Mika, Kim of Kim Pamor, meron na siyang channel. I will leave the link below. Oh my gosh, it was so fun. Kim of Kim's Collections 2015 and her family, and Kerwin of Kiwi Kawaii, Belle and Neg of Jobelita. Yung mga channel na yun, I will leave the link below. You guys, I love Manila na. As in, kung hindi nila ako pinuntahan sa hotel, hindi talaga ako lalabas. Now, I'm looking forward to coming back kasi I know na nandun sila. I had the best time in Manila when I was there. And yeah, I'm just so happy to meet those people. Really, really nice people. I'm freaking teary-eyed. Yeah, thank you guys. From Tanya Vlogs, Ate Rhaze, do you have some tips for young and beginning YouTubers? I'm starting to make videos din po kasi. Don't start YouTube if you don't love it. Like, don't start YouTube just because, a lot of people do it. I want to be in, so I want to do it as well. If it makes you happy, do it and be consistent if you can and just be yourself. Yeah. From Malu Diesta, what vitamins or supplements do you take? Do you take gluta pills or whitening pills? I don't take whitening pills at all. Diyos ko guys, ang mahal ng gluta, nakakaloka. From Dindy Cruz, hi Ate Rhaze, nung college ka po ba naging irregular ka or nagkabagsak? Thank you. Never akong naging irregular or never akong bumagsak. Kasi as I mentioned on my previous Q&A video, I really did do my best na maging okay yung grades ko and all that ish because nursing is not cheap. Like my mom was spending a lot of money just to send me to school and I really appreciate that. From Abuam Ayon, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. Since nabanggit mo po na big fan ka ng Kathniel, ano po yung movie and show ng Kathniel ang favorite mo? I really like She's Dating the Gangster. Yung teleserye na Got to Believe in Magic. Oh my gosh. I watch that every freaking single day. Like, wala akong namimiss na episode. From Chanel Courtney, hi Rhaze, for sure sa next Q&A video mo, nasa Australia ka na. Kumusta ang first day mo dyan? Okay, so diba na-miss ko yung flight ko. Yung first day ko sana dito, Thursday. Pero, again, na-miss ko yung flight ko. So, naging first day ko sa Australia was Saturday, and that was football day. We needed to watch football. First day, pag-pick up niya sa akin sa airport, I took a shower and then we went to the football para manood ng football ng bonggang-bongga. It was my very first time watching football. Sobrang daming tao, 44,900 people. It was fun. I was really tired though. I was traveling, so I have been on the plane for I don't know how many hours, so I was really freaking tired. The team na gusto niyang manalo, hindi nanalo, so that was kind of a bummer. So yeah, yun yung first day ko. It was a new experience to me, but I had fun, so that's good. Na-meet ko yung family few days after that. So Monday, na-meet ko yung family. It was holiday kasi dito. Anzac Day ata. Yeah, I think that's right. I actually vlogged that day. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you have seen the vlog already, but if you haven't, I will leave the link below. Sobrang kinakabahan ako, you guys. As in, sobra. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun sila ka. As in, sobrang babait sa akin. But they are, and I'm really happy. So, all good. Yes. From Ella Risquita, she has 2 questions for me. How did you dye your eyebrow hair? Kasi you mentioned po sa isa sa mga vlogs mo na you dyed your hair brows. No, I didn't dye my brows, you guys. I'm too scared to dye my brows. Like, no. Number 2, how do you apply body scrub? Pagbasa po ba yung skin nyo or pagtuyo? Ilalagay ko yung scrub after kong maglagay ng soap, body wash, or whatever. So, it's the last step sa shower routine ko, yung scrub. So, last siya. I do not know if that's the right thing to do, but that's what I do with my scrubs. So yeah, basa na yung body ko kapag nilalagay ko yung scrub. From Eliza Gale or Eliza Gale, hi, I always watch your videos like every single day. Thank you so much. She has 3 questions for me. Number 1, would you prefer to be smart or happy and why? Guys, I prefer to be happy. Paano naman kung matalino ka pero miserable yung buhay mo, diba? Number 2, of all your pet peeves, which is the strangest? So we have this dish dryer sa bahay to keep our dishes dry. Like, that's why I got it, para dry yung dishes namin, because I don't like it when the dishes are wet. Like, kapag kumakain ka, I don't like it when it's wet. But my mom though, she always forget to turn it on. And siya yung naghuhugas ng plato every morning. Like, not every morning, pero may mga mornings na siya naghuhugas ng plato. Kapag hindi nahugasan the night before that, nakakalimutan niya. And pagising ko sa umaga, alam niyo naman, I always start my day with coffee. So I will open the dish dryer, take my mug, and then may mga tubig na nagdidiret. I was like, why? Bakit pa natin to binili kung hindi naman natin to gagamitin? Nakakaloka. Number 3, how would you describe yourself in 3 words? Short, happy, short. Binalik yung short, whatever. Number 4, if you could marry a fictional character, who would it be and why? Ay, hindi ako mahilig sa mga ganyan-ganyan. So, wale. From Nicole Marie Kangao, fast talk at the race. Cats or dogs? Dogs. Umaga or gabi? Umaga. Mestizo or moreno? Puti. Puti! Adobo or kare-kare? Ano yung kare-kare? Adobo. Love or career? Love. Char! Complete this sentence. I am Rhazel and I am a vlogger. Vlogs or beauty tutorials? Both. Baby girl or baby boy? Baby boy. Australia or Philippines? Oh, dang! Girl! Dang. I don't want to answer that. From Karina Van Lyshout, gagawa ka po ba ng my boyfriend does my makeup tag? I asked him about this last night. Sabi niya, sa takdang panahon. Sa takdang panahon. Number 2, kailan kayo magko-collab ulit na Masaan Clothes? Hindi ko pa alam, as in hindi ko pa talaga alam. Number 3, kung papipiliin ka, branded bag, branded shoes, or high-end makeup? Branded shoes. From Aldab Lian, tanong ko lang po kung ayaw niyo po ba sa Aldab? Kung ayaw niyo po, bakit? At kung medyo bet nyo naman po, bakit rin po? Hindi naman sa ayaw ko sa Aldab. Wala naman akong ayaw. Parang sino ba naman ako para hindi sila gustuhin or whatever. Pero hindi ko sila masyadong napapanood kasi hindi kasi ako maka-GMA. ABS talaga kami. That's why. From Nelia 5, this is funny. Meron siyang 2 questions for me. Number 1, nasagot ko na yan. Number 2, may kapatid po ba si Mr. Bear? Baka lang po pwede. Char. Meron, pero meron ng mga asawa yung mga kapatid niya. Siya na lang yung single. Siya na lang yung single. From Nicolette Kate, she has 3 questions for me. You guys are killing it with your questions. 3 to 4 questions. Number 1, sa tingin mo po ba mas magandang may inspirasyon inspirasyon ka habang nag-aaral o wala. It's always great to have inspiration. It doesn't have to be like a boyfriend or whatever. Pero dapat talaga meron kang inspirasyon sa buhay. Number 2, ano po ang best advice nyo sa high school student na wini-waste ang time and money sa pag-aaral kasi hindi siya nag-aaral ng mabuti? Huwag kayong mag-aksaya ng pera at ng oras. Isipin nyo na lang ha, ang daming tao na gusto makapag-aral pero hindi nakakapag-aral kasi wala silang pera. And super lucky natin na like nakakapag-aral tayo. So make the most out of it. Number 3, nasa abroad din po ako and never pa po ako nakauwi dyan kasi dito na po ako pinanganak and I'm 17 years old. Gusto ko lang po malaman kung maganda po dyan sa Pinas. Yes, of course. It's more fun in the Philippines, that's for sure. From Gian Jane Angeles, Hi Ate Tone, kailan ka po nagpapalit ng contact lenses case mo? Hindi ako nagpapalit ng contact lens case. I mean, very rare lang ako nagpapalit ng contact lens case kung feeling ko sobrang old na siya. I do clean it regularly though, but not necessarily like kailangan ko talaga siyang palitan. I don't think so. Like, as long as you clean it regularly, you should be good. From Anne Lauzon, Hi Ate Rhaze, yung boyfriend ko kasi nasa Pinas din, ako dito sa Australia. Ask ko lang kung ano ang mga requirements mo na need para makapagbakasyon dito. Hindi ko na maalala lahat ng requirements na nasubmit ko for my visa. Pero you guys, makikita nyo sa Google, sa Australian Embassy in the Philippines kung ano yung mga requirements. Kasi kapag ako, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna miss like 1 or 2 or whatever. Kasi may mga forms ka kasi na-fill upan. So, sa naalala ko lang, yung requirements sa part ko was like, personal documents like birth certificate and kailangan talaga siya, anong tawag doon? Kailangan notarized talaga siya, tapos passport. In my case kasi, di ba, kaka-renew ko lang ng passport. Actually, I renewed my passport. They asked me to print every single page of my passport. Like, every single page. Hindi lang yung page na may stamps ha. As in, every single page, kahit na blank pa siya. They asked me to print it out and have it notarized. So, I did that. Number 2, at kung gaano kalaki ang need na budget para makapagbakasyon dito, hindi ko talaga alam kung merong silang specific budget na hinahanap. I did send them my bank statement. So, yun. Yeah, so yun yung part sa embassy. Tapos yung budget na sa sarili ko. Yung ticket ko, so I paid for my ticket papunta dito. Tapos nagbayad na din ako ng return ticket. Ganun. From Rose Ann de la Rosa, Hi Ate Rhaze, ask ko lang po kung naniniwala kayo sa kasabihang friends can be lovers, but lovers cannot be friends. Mr. Bear is my best friends. So like, we're lovers and we're friends. And I don't believe in that. Anyway, that's the last question for now. Again, if you want your questions to be featured in my next Q&A video, do not forget to leave your questions below with the hashtag askrhaze. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Please do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye!